Right then everybody, so we have got this BMW Z4, the 2.5, I think they're a straight six. These vehicles just been dropped off to me, looking pretty worse for wear, but I'll show you what we got. So, as you can see, 2003 2.5. It's not sitting very well, is it? Not sitting very well at all, to be honest. Look, as you can see, not looking great. Let's see what it sounds like. What's it look like in there? Well, the door card is off. Seats don't look too bad. The roof could do with a clean. It's definitely been sat a while. Oh, there's a door card. Okay, let's start this thing up, see what we got. Oh my. Oh my. What would you do with that BMW Z4 convertible? Is there, it's an E85, 2.5, straight six. Is there anything that, any suggestions of what we could do with this thing? Gonna have it up on the ramp, gonna have a look, see what it's like underneath. Looks like we've got some suspension issues, exhaust, well, something's going on with the exhaust, but is there anything that we could do to this to make this car better? A bigger set of wheels, a body kit even, something like that? Let me know in the comments below.